Alright, the date is April 3rd, 2018. Just wanted to get some shots of the ditch here. That's coming out of the culvert. Obviously we have a very hard rain right now, which is why I wanted to shoot some video now. That's going on down the ditch. We've actually seen it worse than this before. That rain coming up right now. Let's go across the road to see what's going on. This is across the street, so there's the ditch over there in my mom's yard. This is across the street. This is the amount of water that's coming from the overflow from the retention pond. I'll get a shot of that here shortly. This is coming from the neighbor's yard. Really a minimal amount of water, not really that much coming from his retention pond. You see the majority of the water is coming from the overflow from the retention pond from Kensington Grove. And here's the retention pond across the road. Here's the overflow right here. You can't see because of the water, but there is a hole about 2/3 of the way down from the top of the drain. There's the top where the drain is. I don't know why there is a hole about 2/3 of the way down, but if that were covered up, that retention pond would come up to this drain right here, and it's not. I don't know why that is. But anyway, that's the source of the water that's coming across underneath the road into Cindy Hill's property. Alright, there's the drain now. It is 3:30 in the afternoon, still on April 3rd, 2018. There's the drain now. Looks like the water's a little bit lower. This is on the other side of the property again. Water. Here's on Cindy's side of the property. Still coming through the culvert pretty steadily there. The rain has calmed down a little bit, but we are supposed to get some more rains later on tonight.